There are many ways to make money online, but not all are created equal. This video explores the best platforms to make money online.
This video explores the best platforms to make money online.
Please hit the subscribe button.
Fiverr is an online platform that offers services for $5. Services range from website design to article writing. Joining Fiverr is free. Just sign up with your email address and create a password. Once logged in, you can start creating your gig. You can search for and service gigs that interest you. Fiverr is a great platform for those who want to offer their services online. It's easy to use and allows you to make extra money. Fiverr services range from website design to article writing. You can even find gigs that interest you and offer your services.
Fiverr offers a wide range of services, including graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and technology, business and lifestyle. Fiverr freelancers can create their own custom plans for services and set their own pricing. Fiverr implements multiple badges and verification processes to help clients find the best freelancers. The Fiverr's Choice Badge is awarded to top-performing freelancers who receive high ratings and positive reviews from clients. This badge indicates that the freelancer is highly skilled and credible. The Pro Verified Badge is awarded to freelancers who have demonstrated expertise in their field after going through a rigorous verification process. This badge shows that the freelancer is a trusted professional who meets her Fiverr's high standards.
Overall, Fiverr offers a diverse range of services and provides a platform for freelancers to connect with clients around the world. The Fiverr's Choice and Pro Verified badges make it easy for clients to find talented and trusted freelancers to work with. Upwork is the world's largest website for freelancers. Connect your business with remote workers and independent professionals. Join as a freelancer. A freelancer can register with her Upwork and create a profile showcasing her skills and experience. Upwork offers a variety of careers, including web development, graphic design, writing and translation, customer service, and more. Project Catalog. Businesses and individuals can search Upwork's project catalog to find freelancers who meet their specific needs. The project catalog contains a wide variety of projects, from small tasks to long-term contracts. Find talent. Businesses and individuals can post jobs on her Upwork to find talented freelancers. You can also search for freelancers based on specific skills, experience, and location.
To start exploring Upwork, sign up for an account and create a profile that highlights your skills and experience. Once your profile is complete, you can start looking for jobs. To search for jobs on Upwork, you can browse our job listings or use our search feature to find jobs that match your skills and experience. Filter your search by job type, skill level, and location to find the perfect job for you. Once you've found a job you're interested in, you can detail your skills, experience, and how you can help the client with the project. You can also set your own price and bid on the project.
A freelancer can search for jobs on her Upwork and make suggestions to potential clients. Clients can then review the proposals and select freelancers they would like to work with. Freelancers can also set their own rates and bid on projects that interest them. The range of prices per job with Upwork varies greatly depending on the type of project, the expertise required, and the freelancer's location. Some projects cost just a few dollars, while others cost thousands of dollars. It is important to note that Upwork receives a percentage of the project fee as a commission. So be sure to include this in your rate when bidding. Overall, Upwork is a valuable platform for businesses and individuals who need to hire talented freelancers. It offers a variety of features to help freelancers find jobs and clients find the right talent for their projects. The range of money per job varies widely, but every skill gives a freelancer of her level a chance. There is.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel.